In the three studies, we tried to see the structure of the skeleton of these bodies, and we were able to determine that it does indeed belong to a single skeleton that has not been joined to other pieces.
Fasten your seatbelts as we venture into the darkened corridors of undisclosed labs and clandestine governmental vaults. Tonight, we pull back the veil on one of the most tantalizing enigmas to ever perplex humanity: the mysterious Mexican alien that has undergone a battery of X-ray exams. You won't believe what they revealed. Can you handle the explosive truth that not all skeletons reside in Earth's closet? Some hail from galaxies far, far away? Forget everything you thought you knew about radiology and extraterrestrial life, because tonight we're meshing the two in a mind-bending exploration that's bound to keep you awake, pondering the limitless boundaries of the known universe. Originally discovered by Jaime Maussan, a name synonymous with the extraordinary. The small, humanoid-shaped specimens are around 1,000 years old, of antiquity, based on carbon analysis by the National Autonomous University of Mexico. Each body, which is roughly comparable in size to a newborn human baby, has what appear to be eyes, ears, and a nose clearly visible. Each of these extraordinary specimens raises a multitude of questions that boggle both the scientific community and ordinary people like you and me. If these findings stand up to rigorous scrutiny, what could they mean for our understanding of human history, or even the history of life on Earth? Could these bodies be proof of extraterrestrial visits from ages past, or perhaps evidence of a long-lost civilization with advanced bioengineering capabilities? A trio of studies, each more complex than the last, designed to peer into the very structure of these otherworldly beings. We commence with a computerized tomography, CT scan, a labyrinthine layering of X-rays to capture cross-sectional images. These scans reveal an architecture far removed from any known organism on Earth. The density of the bones, the structure of the joints, even the positioning of the internal cavities all speak to an alien design, one born not of terrestrial evolution, but from the loins of the cosmos itself. The second study brings forth the traditional X-ray. Laid bare before the penetrating gaze of electromagnetic radiation, the skeletal form stands as an eerie monolith of biological craftsmanship. Simple yet telling, this X-ray dispels all notions of an earthly match or an elaborate hoax. There are no screws, no seams, no sign of surgical assembly. What you see is one coherent piece, a singular skeleton that rules out earthly tinkering or cunning forgery. It is a veritable Pandora's box of anatomical anomalies, and one that slams shut the casket on theories of assembly or fraudulent fabrication. Last but not least comes the third investigation, a real-time, moving X-ray known as fluoroscopy. Here, you can witness the dynamics of this celestial structure, see how its unique form functions in a manner that might as well be dictated by alien ergonomics. Every joint and cavity confirms that this is no mere static relic, but a body designed for movement, perhaps for functions and activities that would boggle the human mind. In this trifecta of examinations, one fact becomes eerily, irrefutably clear. This alien skeleton is a biological marvel that belongs to a single entity. It was not assembled like a grotesque jigsaw puzzle, but grew and functioned as a unified whole. An organism, if you will, that challenges the very paradigms of earthly biology. Instead of the standard anatomical lineup we've come to expect in most sentient beings, heart, lungs, and other vital organs, the X-ray scans revealed something utterly perplexing: a singular pulsating organ at the center of these enigmatic bodies. Picture an organ, solitary in its existence within the body, humming with life in a manner alien to our understanding. What purpose could it serve? Could it be a sort of multifunctional organ capable of both pumping fluids and filtering gases? Or perhaps it's an energy source like a biological reactor, powering the creature's every move. If these bodies are indeed a millennium old, does this solitary pulsating organ tell us about advanced bioengineering practices of a bygone era? Could these entities represent a species that has evolved along a completely different path, with a biological structure unimaginable to modern science? Just think about the grandeur of the unknown that we're staring at through these X-rays. It's like catching a fleeting glimpse of the Rosetta Stone of physiology, a key that might unlock new scientific fields of organ function, bioenergy, and even longevity. With every pulsating shadow on the X-ray screen, we're brought closer to asking questions we never thought to ask, gazing into the abyss of the unknown and wondering what other secrets lie hidden within the catacombs of these ancient beings.